Jashan is basically one of the biggest inter-university cultural festivals that we have here in BITS Pilani, Dubai. It started back in 2010, and what we do in Jashan is basically we unite different university people to come together to BITS Pilani, Dubai and compete against each other. So the various kind of events that we conduct here is basically drama, music, that's basically singing, battle of bands and dance. So we have the duet dance as well as we have the group dance, we have the war of DJs, we have impromptus and various other events that we have in Jashan. So it's a 4-day event that takes place every year in the month of April in BITS Pilani, Dubai itself.
Our performance was basically a mix of 4 different styles: hip-hop, Bollywood, contemporary and Punjabi. And we wanted to show that how in one dance we can do many other styles together, and it was purely dancing and no concept, nothing. It was an amazing experience because the crowd is crazy, and once we come up on stage we get the hype that everybody's just looking at us. So it was crazy, and preparing for it was really hard. We put in all our hard work, but it was a lot of fun. At the end, it was worth it.
Zee Connect actually had come down to a campus for the auditions, and it actually meant a lot to us because being Zee being our partner for our event, it really means a lot. So the crowd response was amazing. People actually loved auditioning for it because you get to see different kind of people. You can get to the real world. You can meet celebrities. It's a great opportunity for all the students out here. So from my side, I felt it was amazing. It was tremendous.
I felt really good. I felt really confident. I guess I'm quite confident for this position, and I didn't really want to miss an opportunity to be here on the stage auditioning and meeting the celebrities later if I get shortlisted. So here I am standing auditioning for you guys.
This was my first time I was anchoring, so I was nervous in the beginning, but when I started facing the camera, I was like normal. I mean, it was not that. And everyone here, they all were so friendly, and people who were hosting, they were really very friendly. So I really enjoyed the experience.